Hello, my name is Chris Palmer, and before I get into today's local SEO video, I want to warn you, this is not for beginners. This is next level SEO. Nobody is talking about this. So as you can see here, we're in the Samsung developers remote test lab. We're connecting. So we're going to go ahead and just hop onto here. Now, if you're interested in learning the future of click-through rate and traffic manipulation and hacks, then this could potentially be the best video of 2020. So in this video, I'm going to discuss a couple benefits of some brand new tactics that are going to be utilized for 2020 and 2021 very soon to come for traffic and CTR. Now, traffic and CTR are slowly but surely being defined as the new backlink. User metrics are replacing links week after week, and any SEO performing old and outdated tactics are learning this the hard way. So in this video, I want to open your eyes to a brand new set of tools, a brand new set of functions, a brand new way to generate more traffic, more clicks, better organic rankings, boost your GMB, snack pack listing, leave reviews, generate more traffic to your organic rankings, and the list goes on. First, I just want to ask you a brief question. You are in a GMB, 3 listings, and you're sending traffic and clicks to the number 3. What do you think is going to happen? It is going to shoot up because it's a user signal. Stick with me. I want to ask you these questions to see if we're all on the same page. So what if you're in maps? What if you're position 25? What is going to happen if there are trusted IP sets going to position 25 right here? They're consistently clicking, and following through to your website. What is going to happen? Your listing is going to shoot to the top. Now let's talk about another benefit. What about reviews? Now, what if you are able to generate reviews from trusted, localized IP sets? So along with that, in organic rankings, what if you're using multiple IP sets that are trusted? They're clicking on your listing. They're clicking on your listing, going through to your site. They're not bouncing. Your listing is going to skyrocket to the top. Now, the list of benefits goes on, but let me walk you through without showing too many details exactly what I'm talking about. So the next level for local SEO, it's not for beginners, mobile applications that are deployed from trusted cloud platforms like Samsung, along with dozens of others. What if we had, and this is what is in the works, we're currently working on it. If you have advanced skills, please get in touch with me, but let's keep moving on. So as you can see here, this is only one platform, one set. There are dozens just like it. There's numerous phones with different IP sets, different categories, different phones. Look at, there's dozens of them just on the Samsung page, but there's other platforms. So I want to bring you back, and stick with me. I'm going to literally show you step by step how to go ahead and launch and engage one of these. All right. Think of this technique that I'm showing you, but at scale, and how it can benefit your traffic and your click-through. So let's go back over here. If you have a website, and here's your main website, it's in the SERPs, right? And we're going to do multiple. This is GMB, all right? This is your maps. This is multiple variations of what we just talked about, maps. Now, we have deployed our Samsung app. We have our other Google. We have all these cloud app platforms working together, but we do not only have one device and one app. On Samsung, we have 10. On Google, we have 10. On this site, we have 10. On this site, we have 10, right? They're all working together to send traffic from different IPs, from different countries, from different locations, from different local locations, all sending traffic, sending clicks. This is going to significantly boost your traffic, and along with your click-through, your dwell time. This is going to be the next wave of SEO tools that is going to significantly disrupt not only SEO, but also local SEO, e-commerce, and affiliate marketing. And it already has. I've already seen beta tests with tools that we're currently working on that are absolutely insane, and I just had to share it with you. So let me just launch one for you so you can see the power for yourself. So what we are going to do now, so I can just show you the power of this, but I want you to think of this at scale. But what we're going to do is we're going to literally grab the new Galaxy S20 Plus, whatever this is, S20. We'll use this one. The device list, we're going to use this. But see this one instance? What if we had 100 of these instances and we had 100 different IPs all working together? This is where the power is being held. So we're going to go ahead and just launch this, and you are going to need some runtime environment. You will need a little bit of technical background. And again, if you're an advanced app developer and you would like to get in contact with me, please get in contact with me. We can definitely work something out. But in any case, let's get into this demonstration now so I can show you the power of this. So we're going to go ahead and launch that now. All right, so as you can see, we have launched a live device. So I want to go ahead and just show you right now that this device is a device that has a location of Korea, but this can be changed. We are on this device in Galaxy S20 on a Korean location. It's a Samsung IP. Now, when you're getting credits and you're using other platforms, you can choose your IP addresses. You can choose multiple functions. But let me show you the power, all right? This is simply just showing you and opening your eyes for CTR and traffic manipulation, which is the next backlinks for 2020 and 2021. So we're just going to go right here. It's just like a actual phone that we have. So we could go ahead and make calls, but we don't want to do that. What we want to do to literally go online, which we are going to within their platform. Now we're on Google. Now let's search for Chris Palmer Marketing. All right, we're going to head right over here. And as you can see, here's Chris Palmer Marketing. This is me. We are online. All right. Now let's just for fun, let's do what's my IP location. So we're just going to head over here just to check the IP. I just want to go ahead and show you that we are literally on this device, on this just one instance. We're in Korea on a trusted IPv4. So wanted to go ahead and get that out of the way. So what if we were to go to my website, right? So we go to Chris Palmer Marketing, the chrispalmermarketing.com. But what if I had 1,000 of these instances from all different locations? Or here we have a number 2 listing. If I had 1,000 instances clicking on this, we would move up. So I wanted to go ahead and show you that this is driving clicks. This is driving CTR. We could then go through to the site, right? If we were programming these mobile application, cloud applications, and I'm just using mine just for reference, but what if we went in here? What if we wanted to go to reviews? What if we wanted to go ahead and write a review? Now, I'm not going to do that publicly, but I'm just saying, what if we were leaving reviews? Now, I'll go ahead and I'll just go to another one just to showcase just a little bit more, but I'm thinking that you are seeing the possibility of this at scale. 1,000 different devices, 1,000 different IPs, all performing different actions. Can you see the possibilities? I'll do one more. What if we went over to the maps and we started clicking on the map locations, right? And that's what I'm getting at. For localized search, a few more clicks, better click through. Going to a site. Let's go to a site. Let's do Drive Stack. How about Drive Stacks, right? We'll just do Drive Stacks. See web results. All right, so I have the first position for Drive Stacks, anything related to Drive Stacks. But we go to the site, and now we're on the site, right? We're scrolling down. We're looking through, right? We're increasing some time from a different IP. We're clicking through now. All right, now we're on YouTube. What if you're a YouTube guy? What if you want to maybe increase views from a different IP? We can watch videos. We can go through. What if you have an ad network? What if you're buying products? I mean, the list goes on and on. The use of this is absolutely endless. So I hope that you have enjoyed this local SEO video. I mean, this could be utilized for more than just this. Local SEO, it could be used for CTR, traffic, affiliate, e-commerce. The list goes on and on. So I hope that you've enjoyed today's video. This is next level SEO. Nobody is talking about this. I'm the first one to bring it to you. My name is Chris Palmer. Anything SEO, digital marketing, or if I can help you with anything, ask in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you in the next local SEO search engine optimization video. Have a wonderful day.